What if glowing skin starts with something deeper than just products? Ayurveda teaches us that radiant complexions begin with inner harmony. This time-tested wisdom is gaining traction, with more Americans seeking herbal remedies. In fact, statistics show a 35% increase in interest in recent years. Ayurveda views the skin as a reflection of your body's balance. Instead of quick fixes, it focuses on three energies: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. When these energies are aligned, your skin radiates health. No harsh chemicals needed. Modern research supports what Ayurveda has always known. Natural ingredients like turmeric and neem not only soothe but heal. They treat the root causes of skin issues, instead of just masking the symptoms. This journey isn't about following fads, but cultivating effective routines that flow with your body's natural rhythms. Let's break down the foundations of Ayurvedic skincare. First, understand the three doshas. Vata, which represents air and space, is often characterized by thin, dry skin with early signs of aging. Pitta, a combination of fire and water, produces sensitive skin that may become inflamed. Kapha, made of earth and water, leads to oily skin with large pores. According to a recent study from UCLA, using products tailored to your dosha can increase skin hydration by 42%. This shows how crucial it is to know your skin type. Next, we explore the 5 elements of skincare. Each element plays a role. Earth provides structure and elasticity. Water maintains moisture balance. Fire facilitates metabolic processes. By aligning your skincare routine with these elements, you nurture your skin from within. Determining your Ayurvedic skin type is key. Observe your skin's characteristics and reactions. Vata skin is delicate. Pitta skin is sensitive but vibrant. Kapha skin tends to be thicker and prone to dullness. Now let's create your daily Ayurvedic routine. A morning routine sets your skin for the day, while the evening allows for detox. Start with a mouth rinse using sesame oil. Follow it up with a dosha-specific oil massage, herbal cleansing, and more. In the evening, practice relaxation techniques along with a daily cleansing routine. Masks apply cooling or warming benefits based on your dosha. Feeling creative? Try DIY Ayurvedic face masks using simple ingredients. Neem and turmeric work wonders against acne, while rose petal and sandalwood rejuvenate tired skin. For exfoliation, triphala gently removes dead cells. Choosing commercial Ayurvedic products can be tricky. Always look for key ingredients such as neem, ashwagandha, and moringa oil. Check for authentic certifications like USDA Organic to ensure quality. Aside from skincare products, lifestyle plays a crucial role. Adopting dinacharya, or daily rhythms, aligns your body with nature. Engage in morning and evening rituals such as yoga, oil pulling, and mindful eating to enhance your skin's glow. Did you know your diet directly impacts your skin? Consume foods rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and hydration. Golden milk with turmeric or soaked almonds can fight inflammation and support healthy skin. As seasons change, so should your skincare routine. For winter, use richer oils and thick creams, while summer calls for cooling gels. Adapting to the environment ensures your skin remains balanced and healthy throughout the year. So how does Ayurveda differ from Western skincare? It approaches skin health from within, considering both diet and routine. Also, sensitive skin can benefit from Ayurvedic practices. Start with a patch test to ensure compatibility. Ready for glowing skin? Begin with Ayurvedic practices today. Explore your dosha, select the right ingredients, and craft rituals that make you shine from the inside out. Embrace this ancient wisdom and transform your skincare routine. It's time to unleash your true radiance. Visit our channel for more Ayurvedic insights and share your skin journey with us.